never play these, but I should. Like, what is that? Lemon something? What is C8? Oh, it's $2. These machines are so cheap that I could probably take out, like, my bank account and just play until I clean them out, and I need to. This is part of the Fidget tub. Nice. I'm gonna keep this going, keep the video on air. Oops. Price $200. Okay. I'm gonna try C8. Let's see. Nice. Oh, it's candy. I was hoping it was chips, but whatever. Read, folks. It's pretty cool, though. It tastes like lemon. My mom might like it. Maybe my sister.